of speculation about Bitcoin reaching about $400,000 in 2022, and y'all know what this means. If you're a Bitcoin trader or you're into cryptocurrency trader, you know what this actually means. All right, it means that all the shit coins is gonna pump once Bitcoin start pumping. They are gonna pump as hard as possible. So be sure that you have one or two investment out there, and be sure that you're not investing into a fake shit coin. There are a lot of fake shit coin. All right, so let me just insert a clip of that analysis in this video so that y'all can see it. All right, y'all can see it. A clip of that analysis that Bitcoin is going to $400,000 in 2022 is a speculation based on what has happened before in the live streams of Bitcoin.
NASDAQ believes that Bitcoin can hit $400,000, and this is how. This illustration shows us 4 epochs, and each epoch, as you can tell, is the period of time between each halving. So from Genesis to the first halving, we went up that much. From the first to the second halving, we went up that much, and then this much in the third epoch, and now we are in the fourth. And today, if we have similar returns in terms of percentage increase as we did back in the previous bull runs, as you can tell, we can easily pass the $400,000 mark for Bitcoin. And this is where we're at right now, so we're probably at the very beginning of this bull run. And the next halving is expected to take place in 2024, so we still have a long time to go to the moon.
So if you don't have Bitcoin, you can get some, but for those that are little investors, I advise you, those little investors that don't have much money, you can get Bitcoin as little as possible. But those ones that have some smaller amount of funds, you can invest much into the shit coins, that the coins that are still coming up, that are still at their infant stage. All right, and you can do that. You don't have to make a lot of videos on some of these coins, so please be sure that you check the playlist or check the description of this video. All right, or go through the channel. All right, there are a lot of videos on cryptocurrency about all these things, so they are really amazing. All right, so but note, this is very important. This is not a financial advice. Okay, don't say that boy said that Barinoa said I should invest into this coin that is going to blow, it's going to pump. All right, this is all speculations. All right, so be sure that you're in control of yourself. You're in control of your finances. You're in control of whatever you're investing. As much as your money can, your investment can, bring out good outcome, it can also vanish. It can also go for vanishing. So be sure that you're doing the right thing. All right. So see you in the next video.